Replacing the track on your excavator, let's get started. First, remove the old track. Use a pry bar and hammer to disengage the track links from the sprockets. Then carefully walk the track off the undercarriage by rotating the sprocket while guiding it off the rollers. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the components. Check the sprockets, rollers, and idlers for wear or damage, and clear away any debris and grease. Next, it's time to install the new track. Position it around the idler and bottom rollers, then slowly rotate the sprocket to guide the track into place, ensuring the links properly engage with the sprockets and rollers. If alignment is off, a pry bar and hammer can help set it right. Once the track is in position, retension it by pumping grease into the tensioning valve with a grease gun until there's just about 1–2 inches of sag between the rollers and the track. Finally, test the installation. Lower the machine to the ground and slowly move the excavator forward and backward to ensure the track is seated correctly and operates smoothly. And that's it. Your excavator is ready to get back to work.